Alright, let's see if this bitch starts this time. Stalled it. Hate when I do that. Come on, baby, start right back up. I'm sweating again. Everything's gonna be fine, Eric. Everything's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Sorry.
That's all right.
See if I can start it again.
Ah, shit.
What?
That
oh, yeah.
Advance.
I don't know what's up with that.
Is you running okay?
Yeah.
Maybe you got stuck
I
advanced.
think it did. I'm sweating my butt off kicking that. I was sweating my butt off kicking that freaking thing. Woo! I'm sweating now. Kicking a hot engine when it's pissed off in full advance and doesn't want to start will make you sweat. Woo! Jeez. But happen to be underway. Could be worse. Worse things have happened. Everything's gonna be fine, Eric. Everything's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Don't worry. You know, one of the things with riding an antique motorcycle that you just have to accept is sometimes stuff's just gonna go wrong. That's part of life. But you'll figure it out. Every machine can be fixed. What one man can do, another can do. It's a good idea to always carry the factory toolkit, of course, and a multi-tool if possible. In this case, didn't need one. I mean, what actually went wrong is the ignition advance is stuck on advance, but the cables looks like it's in full retard, but it's not. It's running great, which is fortuitous because advance is where you want it. Advance is where the power is. Check this thing out in front of us. Looks like an antique MG or something. Sweet ride. Ah!
Hey guys, don't get the wrong idea with this video. This is one of the best running antique bikes I've ever ridden. My father bought this motorcycle as a pile of parts, restored it, and assembled it himself from the ground up. I did get it started and made it back to the garage. My father fixed the advancing problem, but the Lucas Magneto gave up completely on a subsequent ride. The mag had to come out and be overhauled.
We have a 1959 AJS M31 here, and I'm about to remove the Magneto. The Magneto is located right there. So what we'll do first is remove this Magneto cap, which will expose the points. Unfortunately, this Magneto quit on me, so I'm going to remove it and send it out for rebuild. These high tension leads need to be removed. These actually are the plug wires. Unscrew that plastic cap. The other one, a little bit tougher to get at. This wire right here, that's the manual advance, and that will have to be removed as well. It's got a rubber boot covering the fitting. Peel that boot back. That exposes I don't know if it makes it any clearer, but that exposes this manual advance. First, I'm going to remove the points. There's a stud right in the center here. I don't know if you can see that. Stud coming out of there. There it is right there. With the washer. You see the points plate there. I've removed the center stud, and these are actually keyed in, so you can only put them in one way. Tight quarters in here for my hands. Okay, there is the points plate, and you can see how it's keyed in the back. Now, the cam ring, slide that forward. See that? I don't know if you can see inside there, but that's got a slotted hole that keeps it located. But you pull that back and it allows you to take the advanced cable out. Okay, I've loosened that fitting, and there is the advanced mechanism. Push the cam ring back in. Okay, that's it for this side. Now we're going to go around to the other side of the bike and remove the timing cover. Here's your timing cover here. Looks like we'll be removing the shifter lever here too, because it's in the way of the cover down here. First, we're going to remove this outer bolt that secures the pointer, shift indicator. Here's the pointer. Okay, this one stud right here is the only different one on this timing cover, and that goes through to the generator. They call it a dynamo, but it's a generator. Okay, with a little tapping with a rubber mallet, covers off. Now, what you're exposing here is the oil pump. This is the gear that needs to come off to remove that Magneto. These are the timing gears. 5/16 Whitworth. Remove that nut. Now, to remove that gear, we have a special tool. Threads into the inner part of the gear like so. So this tool threads into the gear, and then this bolt pushes on the shaft, separates the two, but I need to get the right socket. And that's all we have to do. This gear is on a tapered shaft, so it just needs a little persuasion. Now here is the bolt that we were after. There's this one bolt here, and there's two nuts here, the studs on the other side. That's all that's left to remove this. There was a washer there that I just dropped, 1/4 inch Whitworth. A little bit like being a dentist. Now I should be free. Yep. Oh, there goes that other lock washer. Yep. There it is. There's your Magneto. And now, we'll send it out for service.
Carb tickling.
So I'm happy to report that the Lucas Magneto has since come back from overhaul and is installed, and that the Hurricane is once again running great and carving the back roads of New England.